My name is Rich Jordan. I operate a plumbing, electrical, and HVAC company called High Ground Service Pros. Where did the name High Ground come from? It came from my background as an infantry officer in the Marine Corps. Taking the high ground is often an important step to a successful mission, but keeping it requires a lot more effort. In life, taking the high ground has a different meaning. It means doing what's right, even if it's harder. So when you call high ground because your AC is acting up, our first plan is to fix it. That's the least expensive option to you and the smallest money-making opportunity for us, but it's still the right thing to do. And doing things the hard way is kind of our happy place. Not every HVAC tech who works at High Ground has military experience, but the ones we send to your home have the same mindset, the same commitment to you and your family. My name is Rich Jordan, and the team at High Ground Service Pros is looking out for you. Visit us at highground.com.